Attorney, napaakan sa iro ako hang manghod, then nagihatag sa tag-iya 1K ra. Unsa man angay buhaton namo? Okay, so let's talk about the liabilities of animal owners, no? So dili lang limited ni sa dog owners, so that includes cat owners o unsa pa ng mga animals or hayop na inyong gipang-alagaan. So ang atohang balaod nga mo-govern ani is Article 2183. So take note that Article 2183, it imposes a strict liability, and in fact, it establishes a presumption of negligence on the part of the animal owner. Masabot aning balaod is that once makadisgrasya ang inyong mga alaga, let's say nakapaak ang inyong iro, ang tag-iya gipresume na sa balaod nga naay pagpasibaya or naay negligence sa part sa tag-iya. So siya'y liable sa katong napaakan. Kung si liability niya, medical expenses, loss of income, physical suffering, moral damages as the case may be, okay? Kung ikaw ang tagya sa alaga, naani mong burden to prove nga wala ka nagpasibaya, okay? Sa ato ang balaod, pwede nimo establish nga naay force majeure, pananglitan, naay natural calamity or natural disaster, maong nakadisgrasya imuhang alaga. Or, ang sa mismo is katong napaakan nga tao, okay? So again, imuha ng burden to prove or to overcome the presumption of negligence, okay? So I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.
Hi, to get a priority response, kindly follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As proof, take a screenshot that you followed and subscribed and send it to my messenger along with your concern. Thank you.